Hi, in today's video we're going to talk about how to hook up an external hard drive to a Samsung Smart TV. You can take a hard drive with content such as your favorite pictures, movies, that type of stuff, place them in folders, load up your drive, and if you want to, rather than plug it into your NVIDIA Shield, plug it directly into your Smart TV and it does work. So we're going to show you how to do that. Again, I'm going to leave the model number of the TV in the description. Yours may have a different firmware or operating system, but for our Samsung model, and I'm hopeful that other Samsung models would do the same functionality and be able to play that content directly from your hard drive. So I'm going to connect this to the hub. Our TV features what's called a Smart Hub. You can plug all of your HDMI devices directly into the hub, and then you have one wire from the hub that goes to the back of the TV. Here, plug it in and we'll show you what it looks like. You're looking right now just at Chromecast on the TV, and across the bottom is the navigation menu system for our Samsung. So as you notice, as I go left to right, you've got live TV. You can choose the Shield and it will pull the Shield up, or Xbox, and it loads the Xbox onto the screen. Right there is Chromecast, and that's what we're looking at. And let's look at the different change that happens when you plug in the USB drive. You notice at the top it's saying new device expansion is connected. Would you like to browse your files? And I'm using the remote that comes with the TV. Go over to source, and if I come up on the button, you notice Chromecast is selected. Come across, I want to hit expansion. These are the different folders on the hard drive. I've got one for movies, music videos, some TV shows, music and pictures. So basically by using the remote, you can come over, hit enter. There's all the different movies that are on the hard drive. If you want to watch it, clicking the enter button, it shows you that the structure is come down and watch the movie by hitting enter, or you can choose the up button to go back a step. Let's go in, come down to the actual movie, hit enter. You've got pause, fast forward, next, normal stuff that you have on anything that you're going to be playing a video from. And over to the right, you got repeat and options. There's a button on the remote, a backwards button if you will, or touch of that, it brings you out of it. You can come down, hit the escape button, brings you back to it, hit the escape button again, or again you could come up to the upper folder button and it brings you back out. So if you want to hook up your drive to the Samsung, you can access your folders, pulls them up. For myself, I have each movie in its own folder. Depending on how you lay your stuff out, it might be displayed differently. Just a relaxing video. There is sound with these, but I have the sound turned off just so it's not annoying on the video here. Back up again. There's music. So in here, the Dave Mathews, for example, have all the different songs that I have of his in one folder, and it just lists them all. You can see that that's playing. Hit backwards. There we go. So if you leave this hard drive plugged into the Smart Hub, you could do so, and it would be listed up here on the very bottom. You could go back and select to it. You can choose your Shield, Chromecast TV expansion. It would always be plugged in. It would always be something that you could just simply select that as your source and go into your folder structure. If you don't have a Shield, but you have a drive with a lot of content and you wanted another option to view it, plug it in directly, see if it works on your Samsung model. If you have questions or comments, put them down below. We'd be glad to answer them back. We wanted to share this information with you today. Hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.